Prince Edward Island issues 109 invitations in February 2026 PNP draw. Prince Edward Island has conducted its latest provincial nominee program draw, issuing 109 invitations on 19 February 2026. This selection reinforces PAE's focused immigration strategy for 2026, prioritizing candidates who have strong economic ties to the province and occupations aligned with labor shortages. Unlike broad selection models, PAE continues to take a targeted, workforce-driven approach. Labor impact and express entry categories selected. 19 February draw included invitations under both the labor impact category and the express entry category of the PAE PNP. Candidates selected were those whose occupations are aligned with sectors currently experiencing workforce shortages. Key priority sectors include healthcare, skilled trades, and manufacturing, along with other essential industries contributing significantly to the province's economy. This signals that PAE is not simply issuing invitations in volume, it is selecting candidates who can integrate quickly and contribute immediately. International graduates receive special attention. One of the most important highlights of this draw is the continued priority given to international graduates who studied in PAE. Graduates from the University of Prince Edward Island, Holland College, and College de l'Île received additional consideration. By retaining international students already trained within the province, PAE is strengthening long-term workforce stability and reducing labor gaps through local talent retention. This approach shows how the province is using education as a strategic immigration pipeline. Sales and service roles currently limited. Interestingly, PAE has indicated that candidates working in sales and service occupations may not be prioritized at this time. This reflects a demand-driven immigration model, where invitations are aligned with immediate economic needs rather than occupation volume. Applicants must ensure that their employment aligns with current provincial priorities before submitting an expression of interest. 2026 PAE draw schedule and what to expect. PAE has also released a projected draw schedule for the remainder of 2026, with anticipated monthly draws running through December. If maintained, this consistent schedule offers predictability for applicants planning their immigration strategy. The province also provides a workforce program selector tool to help candidates identify potential eligibility, though it does not guarantee nomination. With a structured application process and clear sector priorities, PAE remains one of Canada's more transparent and workforce-aligned provincial nominee programs. What this means for applicants. 19 February draw demonstrates that PAE is continuing to prioritize retention, economic contribution, and sector alignment. International graduates and candidates already working in high-demand occupations may find stronger opportunities under the PAE PNP in 2026. However, because selection is highly targeted, strategy and proper profile alignment will be key. For candidates considering PAE, understanding occupational demand and preparing documentation carefully could make all the difference in upcoming draws. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.